Okay, so hello guys, welcome back to the Tech Savvy Brothers, and today's video is gonna be about Python introduction. Why should you learn Python and where should you code Python and many things like that. So first, why should you know Python? Python is an easy programming language, so you can add it in your resume, and also you will get to know about coding by a easy platform. Then you can enter a newer like javascript. Like Python teaches you the basic after HTML, so you should know a little bit about HTML like h1 h2 and other things, but if you don't know, it's also fine. So Python is a number one like growing coding language. Okay, so where should you code Python? There are mainly two sites. One is VS Code, Microsoft VS Code, and one is PyCharm. So I code in PyCharm because I feel it easier and nicer. So I don't recommend you MS VS Code, but if you want to, then you can. I personally recommend you PyCharm. So first, go and download Python and enter, and you will come to see this thing called Python. Welcome to python.org, and you just go ahead and click it. Okay, so it's something like this, and then you go downloads, you press these, and you see download Python 3.9.6, and you go ahead and download because I have already downloaded. And once you have downloaded it, you can just go through, and if there is a tick mark saying add to path, then take it. If there is no, then you can just leave it. Then you go ahead and write PyCharm, and it should be a website of jetbrains.com. So you click that and wait for it, and it should be something like this, and see, it's something like this. So you go to the downloads, and you download it, and then okay, let me go ahead and show you PyCharm. Okay, yeah, so PyCharm, you can use PyCharm to code. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So the next video is gonna come tomorrow, 16 July 2021. Do watch it. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Thank you.